everybody, it's Michelle and I've got another punch art project for you guys today. I just couldn't wait to do this one. We're going to do strawberries, and I know that you guys have seen me do this before with stickers, but since I'm really having so much fun with the punch art, I just really wanted to do the strawberries in a punch art form. And this is that same cardstock that I used for my punch art ladybugs, and I just love that textured red polka dot. I thought that would make the perfect strawberry. So just like we've done before with stickers, we're using hearts and sort of a flower shape that is going to be the greenery around the top of our strawberries. And I used dies, but you can use punches also. These shapes that we're using today are easily found in punches as well, so either way you want to do it is going to work out perfectly. I used all unbranded dies that I got on eBay, and for the hearts I used this set here. It was a 3-piece set that has 2 hearts and then sort of a lacy heart frame. So I used the 2 hearts to create my large and small strawberries, and I use this set here for the greenery, and that's a set with 3 daisies and a leaf, and you may recognize that leaf from my punch art carrot video that I did for Easter. And for the greenery I used the small and the medium daisy. And for the stems, I wanted to show you guys a couple of different options. I've got some little leafy branches here that I cut out with this die here, and that was part of a larger set, and I'll find that link to include for you also. But I thought that that stem was a little bit too skinny maybe for my large strawberries here, so I decided not to use those, and I'll show you what I decided to go with. And I left these on here just the way that I die cut them to show you guys what I did. I just took some fall leaf dies, and I used 1 strip of green paper, and I just put it just a little bit onto the edge there. And then you can see the part that we end up with is just enough that we can use just the stem part for our strawberry. And I've got the set of 3 of these leaves, and I think I'll use that one. I'll go ahead and bring them all 3 in, and I'll decide as I go along which ones I want to use. So you guys know we've done this before with stickers, and it is super, super simple. We're just going to put our greenery on there like that, and then cut away the excess on top. And I'm not sure how many of the leaves I'll use for each one. We'll just kind of figure that as we go along. For my large strawberry, I think I'm going to use about 7 probably. We'll see how that works. Pick those up with my reverse tweezers. And just put that right in place. I really like that glue pen for that. It gets on those small little areas really easily. So now I'm just going to turn it over so I can see both sides of my heart to know kind of how I'm going to cut that. I'm just going to cut a little bit of a curve. And that'll be the top of our strawberry. And I think that stem is a little bit thicker than the others. So I want to use it for my larger strawberry. And then what's left of this width there of the strip that we first used can just be sort of a little tab to glue it by. And how cute is that? The perfect little strawberry. And I'm going to do it again with my smaller one. And I think I'm going to use about 6 on this one. And again, I'm going to flip it over. Cut that at a little bit of a curve. Choose one of my stems. I think I'm going to leave out this skinniest one here. That may be just a little too flimsy. And put that right on. And the last thing that I want to do is just round off these sharp points at the bottom just a little bit. A little bit more like a strawberry if it's not quite so sharp. And it is just that quick and easy to create punch art strawberries. These are so much fun. Here is another one that I made using a lighter color green cardstock for the Greenery, and I think it turned out cute too. So you guys be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my punch art strawberries. I had so much fun with these. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds, where you can share your punch art projects with us too. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.